Hi everyone, how you going? I'm going good, thanks. Yeah, tell me when it stops working, I'll fix it. I on the boat today, on Mummy Little's boat. Wow, I on the boat, and today we're talking about everything today. Matthew chose yes, and you got the walkie-talkie and everything. The old radio. Listen to the radio. No scenario again can do the school. Listen to the radio. Joe Cook here. Listen to the radio. Goo goo. Okay. And now I think that's the radio. News against the radio star. Okay. That's the radio. Alright. And that's good. Alright. I show the boat. And then that's my live. My view. I live in 1 Mile Beach, Foster. Wow, look at my view. Wow. Good view. Have a look. Oh, wow. It's a key. I turn on this thing. Turn it on. Let's switch. There's a switch button. Beep, beep. No. That's a switch button that can change all the time or the seconds at a time. I change all the time or the seconds. That's manually. Turn on quid, turn it off. Made in the US of A. And that one, and good manually. We got all the items, all the stuff, all the everything. Check radios, channels. Okay, that's the this sign. Can have a look. Wow, good. That's the stuff. Okay. Have a look at the view. This is over here. Wow. Nice view. Okay. And have a look there. Wow. Okay. It's good. And today, I got this walkie-talkie. The radio doesn't work. I said, not working. Switch it on. Hi. Take this to Gumps and Gog. Okay. Take me go to Gumps and Gog in Goston, and let's go. Okay. Okay. And today we got this driving. Let's go and get on it. Ooh. Look at this. Like a drive. Wee! Make that on. Oh, good. And go drive the boat one day with Mummy Little. Go out for a boat on spring time. And that got the radio on. Yes, against the radio star. I'll put the right. I can sing against the radio. Good. Oh. Switch it off. And put the switches off. Okay. Good. I went on the boat. Oh, it's on K's. Wearing Southwest dice. That's the dice changed. Good. Yeah, but well, I got my camera. Got some bins on the boat. We gotta sit around. We gotta sit and everything. Look at this boat. So nice. Oh, you're too far. Hang on a sec. You're too far away. Oh, come on. I will grab you in a sec. That's really nice. I've got my face around. Hey. Want to show inside? Okay. Put this end. I show, have a look. This is the end of the boat. This is some stuff and some stuff there. iPad's on 10%. Okay. Oh, ready? Oh, that's the boat. That's the cars and everything. That's It's Wales. Woohoo! We're in New South Wales. Okay, it's from Newcastle. Okay. I get on the boat. Get you on the boat. Oh, I am the boat. That's a good boat. I'm gonna see through here. Look at this. That's the view on the boat. Okay, on the boat, and we've got something to do. Got some work to do on the boat. We got this thing. This thing on the boat. And everything. Got this old red. Don't touch. We got this old thing. Yuck. Haka. I will show you. Show you the cave. Get up. I'm in the cave. Want to see? Okay, get in there. I'll show you that. Heaps. Woohoo! I'm in the cave. Yeah. I'll show you the boat cave. The boat cave, and that's shut. And then there. Don't look at the street. Okay. Ooh, okay, that's a good boat. There's living in the Mulmul Beach Foxes. Okay, alright, now about 15 minutes from about 10 minutes from Tuncally. Alright, 5 minutes from the and Nelson, yes, I want to show you the timer thing on this boat. Okay, this is the Scratchings menu for New South Wales. This is for Scratchings, the times on the boat, or down and fast. Turn right, turn left. Don't turn on the boat. Okay, need petrol. Okay. Good. I'll run the thing on the boat. Be all done. And that boat, and this, and goat boat, and that wait. Hello. Yes, and everything. And this boat, and this there. My horoscope came today. Alright. That's it, everyone. That's the end for today. We're talking tomorrow. Some things. Maybe I'll go back to make my first day after in the boat. Okay. Bye. Good.